In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF file so that it can take less space without affecting the quality. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, we are going to start with an online PDF tool that is actually called Smallpdf. So you can actually access this website at smallpdf.com. So once you get to this website, all you have to do is just log into the website with any of your Gmail to access the free trial. Because if you are using the free trial, you won't have to make any payment. So once you have actually logged in, what you have to do now is click on this compress that you can see. Once you click on it, then all you have to do now is just select the file from your file manager. So I'm going to select this file. So once you click open, it's going to actually upload the file on the platform. So you can see that the file is actually 51 MB. So once we compress it, we are now going to see how many MB is going to be. Alright, now it has successfully uploaded the file. So as you, like I said earlier, you can see it's 51 MB as the original file size. So right now, all we have to do is compress via basic. You can actually use this strong, but this strong is not free. So we are going to be using this basic. So let's click on compress. Alright, now it is actually completed. So as you can see, from 51 MB, this file is now actually just 6 MB. So you can see that it's working perfectly fine. So all we have to do now is just download this file. So once downloaded, you can actually access it now in your download section. So let me go and check on it. So you can actually see the file right here. So this is actually the file. So let's check on it to see if it's actually 6 MB. So as you can see, this file is now actually 5 MB. Let's just say 5.98 MB, which is about 6 MB. So you can see from 51 MB to just about 6 MB. So this works perfectly fine. Now, the next method to actually compress your PDF file is by using a free app that is called PDFgear. Now, the right way for you to get this is to actually just go to Google and then search for, you can see it over here, download PDFgear to PC. So once you search on that, you're actually going to see the website, which is www.pdfgear.com. So once you click on it, you can actually download this app in here. So now that the website has fully loaded up, all you have to do is just click on this free download icon at the top, and it's going to download the file. Then you install it to your system. Now, once you have actually successfully installed it on your system, what you have to do now is to open the app. Now, once the app is open, just click on this compress PDF section. So once you click on it, it might actually load up a bit. Then once it's done loading up, now you have to actually add the file. So you click on add files and then you select the file. So this is my original file. You click on open. So once you click on open, you can actually see that the previous file, rather the original file, is 48.71 MB. So now we have to compress this file. So you can actually use low, medium, or high. So we are going to be going with medium. So once you click on compress, you can actually see that it's actually compressing because it's going to take some time. Alright, now you can see that it's actually done compressing. So it have already opened the file. So as you can see, this one is even way better and much more powerful. So now from about, I think, 40 something MB, we are having a file of just 3.97 MB. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos, or you might be seeing some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have any free time, you can actually watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.